Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my CVS deals video. I want to wish everyone watching this video happy Sunday, and if you're not watching this video on Sunday, I hope you're having a great day as well. There are some good deals going on at CVS this week, and I hope you find this video helpful. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and I hope you like it here. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's go see what we can find. The first deal in this video will be on buy any Bees children's code relief, get $3 back. And the cheapest I can find is the Gentle Saline Spray and Drops with aloe at $6.79. I don't have any coupon for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT, you can use it, and this will be a good item to add to a 10 of 70 or any next purchase CRT you have. But without all that, you pay the $6.79 and get $3 back, making it just $3.79. Next deal will be on Crest toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.99, and the deal with this one is buy 3 get $5 back. Picking up 3 will come up to $11.97. We all received a 5 off 3 Crest digital coupon that will apply to this and bring it down to $6.97, and you get $5 back, making all 3 of them $1.97 or 66 cents each. If you don't want to pick up the toothpaste, you can do the toothbrushes. It's the same deal. The Oral-B toothbrush is on sale for $3.99 each. Picking up 3 will bring it up to $11.97. And the same 5 off 3 will attach to these 3 items and bring it down to $6.97. And you get $5 back, making all 3 of them $1.97 or 66 cents each. If you have a 4 off 20 Crest Oral-B CRT, you can combine 2 of them together, picking up 3 of the Crest toothpaste and 3 of the Oral-B toothbrushes. All 6 items are going to come up to $23.94. Use the 5 off 3 digital coupon and the 4 off 20 CRT. Is going to drop it down to $14.94, and you get $10 back because this deal is a limit of 2. That would make all 6 items $4.94 or 82 cents each. The next deal will be on Colgate. It's on spend 10 get $5 back, and the mouthwash is part of this deal. Picking up 2 priced at $6.29 each. 2 of them are going to come up to $12.58. Everybody received a 4 off 2 Colgate digital coupon today that will apply and drop it down to $8.58, and you get $5 back, making both items $3.58 or $1.79 each. These next 2 items are not giving back any extra care box, but I found the Ajax dish soap on sale for 2 for $5. Pick up 2, then go to ajax.com and print out 2 50-cent coupon. Using the 50 cents coupon is going to drop it down to $4 for both of them or $2 each. The Grey deodorant is part of the buy 2 get $3 back, and they're also on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Picking up 2 of the deodorants priced at $5.29. The second one is going to be $2.65. These 2 items are going to come up to $7.94. Everybody have a 3 off 2 degree digital coupon that will drop it down to $4.94. Pay that and get $3 back, making both items $1.94 or 97 cents each. The next deal is on buy any Right Guard or Dried Idea deodorant, get $2 back. Pick up 1 of the Right Guard deodorant priced at $5.49. I don't have any coupon for this, so you have to pay the $5.49 and get $2 back, making it just $3.49 only. Axe deodorants are on sale for buy 1 get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Picking up 2 of the body sprays priced at $7.49. The second item will be $3.75, and 2 of them are going to total $11.24. We all have a 4 off 2 Axe digital coupon that is going to drop it down to $7.24. You pay that and get $4 back, making both items $3.24 or $1.62 each. We have Suave deodorant back again for buy 2 get $2 back, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Picking up 2 of the ones priced at $3.49. The second one is going to be $1.75. These two items are going to come up to $5.24. I still have my $1.50 off 2 swap coupon I got from Unilever email, or you can use the 50 cents from last week. Whichever one you use, adjust your math. But if you're using the $1.50 off 2, it's going to drop it down to $3.74 and you get $2 back, making both items $1.74 or 87 cents each. The next deal will be on buy 2 Nivea body wash, get $5 back, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 50% off. Men's body wash is a little bit cheaper, so I'll be explaining that one. Picking up 2, one will be $6.79 and the second one will be $3.40. And 2 of them are going to total $10.19. We don't have any coupon for that I know of, so you have to pay the $10.19 and get $5 back, making both items $5.19 or $2.60 each. Old Spice body wash, the 16 to 24 ounces, is part of the buy 2 get $3 back, and they are priced at $9.79 each. Picking up 2 will total $19.58. There is no coupon I can find that is attaching to this, so you have to pay the $19.58 and get $3 back. Check your Ibotta because we have a $2 back on each one of them. That will be a total of 4. And after the extra care box back and the Ibotta rebate, it's going to drop it down to $12.58 or $6.29 each. And this is a good item to also add to your threshold CRT. Buy 2 any Dove Men Plus Care Hydrating Body Wash, the 18 ounces, you get $2 back. And they're also on sale for $7 each. I don't have any coupon for this and I did not find any in the app. And if you need other Dove Men Plus Care, you can also see that they're on sale for $7, but they are not giving back any extra care box. But picking up 2 of the ones I'm talking about is going to total $14. You have to pay that and get $2 back, making both items $12 or $6 each. The next deal is on buy 2 any Ivory body wash, 35 ounces. That's the big bottle, and you get $3 back. And they're on sale for 2 for $12. Picking up 2, you have to pay the $12 and get $3 back, making both items $9 or $4.50 each. The next deal is on buy 2 any Old Spice or Olay bar soap, get $2 back. Pick up 2 of the Olay bar soap 6 counts, priced at $10.29 each. 2 of them are going to come up to $20.58. Pay that and get $2 back, making both items $18.58 or $9.29 each. It's not that great, but if you need it and you have extra care box to use, you might as well pick it up. The next deal is on buy 2 any OGX Maui Aveeno or Neutrogena hair care, you get $4 back, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off. Picking up 2 of the OGX shampoo and conditioner, priced at $9.99. One will be full price and one will be 40% off. The total for these 2 items are going to come up to $15.99. Use the 2 off 2 OGX instant CRT everybody received today. And I also have a 4 off 14 OGX CRT that will also apply to this. It's going to drop it down to $9.99 and you get $4 back, making both items $5.99 or $3 each. The next hair care deal will be buy 2 any L'Oreal Elvive hair care, get $4 back. Picking up 2 of the shampoo and conditioner, however way you want it, pick up 2 at $5.59 each. The 2 of them are going to come up to $11.18, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for these 2 items that will bring it down to $8.18, and you get $4 back, making these 2 items $4.18 or $2.09 each. The next hair care deal I'll be sharing will be on the Head and Shoulder. It's on sale for 2 for $18, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Be careful with this deal because there are other 2 Head and Shoulder deals going on this week as well. One is 2 for $12 and the third one is 2 for $20. So make sure you're reading the ounces if your store is not tagged. Picking up 2 of the ones priced at 2 for $18, use a 3 off 2 Head and Shoulder digital coupon And I also have a 4 off 14 Head and Shoulders CRT. The coupon and the CRT is going to drop it down to $11 and you get $5 back, making both items $6 or $3 each. Another easy deal to grab without coupon or CRT would be the spend 10 on any peach slice acne care, get $4 back. Pick up 2 of the acne spot dots 30 patches, priced at $4.99 each. Picking up 2 is going to bring it up to $9.98. It's within the 98% rule if your store follows that. Pay the $9.98 and get $4 back, making both products $5.98 or $2.99 each. The next deal will be on Maybelline Cosmetics. It's on spend 12, get $4 back. Pick up the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, priced at $14.79. I have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT, that's why I'm picking up this item, because it's within the 98% rule. Last week we received a $3 instant CRT, and today we received another $3 instant CRT. Those 2 will come off on this, and also the 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. These 3 CRTs are going to drop it down to $5.79, and I'll get $4 back, making it just $1.79. Any You Buy code test this week is on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Picking up 2 of the 16 liners, priced at $1.89 each. The second one is going to be 95 cents. The total for these 2 items will be $2.79. Pay that and get $2 back, making both of them 79 cents or 40 cents each. I have 2 of the 2 off 2 You Buy Quotes digital coupon, but when I was at the store, I scanned them. I wasn't finding any item it's attaching to. So when you're doing this deal, you can as well try and see if it will work for you. The next deal is on spend 15, get $5 back, and the off product is part of it. Pick up 2 of the off each relief pen, priced at $7.79 each, and these 2 items are going to come up to $15.58. We have 2 digital coupons that are attaching to this. That's 2 $3 off coupons. It's going to drop it down to $9.58 and you get $5 back. Check your Ibotta, because in mine I have a $3 back on each one of them, a total of $6. And after the rebate, it's going to make both items free and a $1.42 money maker. We don't have the spend 30 get $10 back, but we have the buy 2 get $3 back. Pick up the Tide detergent 37 ounces on sale for $6.99 and go to P&G website and print out a $1.50 for this product. Then for the Bounce dryer sheets, the 120 counts, pick up 1 is also on sale for $6.99. We have a $1 digital coupon that is attaching to it. These 2 items are going to come up to $13.98. Using the 2 coupons is going to drop it down to $11.48 and you get $3 back, making both items $8.48 or $4.24 each. Select all detergent or mighty packs are on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 2, you get $1 back. Be careful with this deal because there are some exclusions. Picking up 2 of the 19 count mighty packs for $4.99 each, the 2 of them are going to come up to $9.98. You can do the mighty packs or you can do the detergent, but I'm picking up the mighty pack in this deal because that's the only one that is attaching to the Ibotta rebate. These 2 items are going to come up to $9.98. Pay that and get $1 back. Then submit to Ibotta for $1 back on each one of them. That will bring it down to $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal will be on spend 20 get $5 back, and Scott paper towels and Cottonelle is part of it, so is Viva. Pick up 1 of the Cottonelle 9 mega roll on sale for $10.49. Add 2 of the Scott paper towels on sale for $5.99. These 3 items are going to come up to $22.47. We have a $1 digital coupon for the Cottonelle, and also for the Scott paper towels, we also have a $1 coupon for it as well. The 3 of them are going to come up to $22.47. And after the 2 coupons, it's going to drop down to $20.47 and you get $5 back, making all 3 items $15.47 or $5.16 each. The way to do this deal is picking up 2 of the cottonelle at $10.49. Both of them are going to come up to $20.98 and use the $1 digital coupon to drop it down to $19.98. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items $14.98 or $7.49 each. Another option you can use is adding the Viva signature cloth on sale for $10.49. Add it to the cottonelle. 2 of them are going to come up to $20.98. Using the $1 digital coupon for the cottonelle will drop it down to $19.98. You get $5 back, making both items $14.98 or $9.49 or $7.49 each. The last 2 items I picked up is not giving back any extra care box, but they're on sale for 2 for $7. That's the Dunkaroos. Picking up 2, you pay $7. You submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each one of them, making both items $5 or $2.50 each. I want to say a big thank you for supporting my channel every week, coming back to watch my video, and I hope it's very helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye.